Good morning, class family. It's a wonderful Wednesday. Let's look at our message together. Show me that you're a team and a class family. Follow along with your eyes and listen with your ears. Use your finger to point. Ready? Start in the top right-hand corner with the date. January 22nd, 2025. Dear class family, today is Wednesday. We will learn a lot at school. First, we will learn letters and sounds. Next, we will do literacy centers. Then, we will read a poem. After that, we will learn the letter C. Last, we will describe the relationship between the illustrations and the story. It is a great day, love Miss Joyner. Oh, it is a great day. Okay, readers, we're going to look back and reread the message. Remember, that's what good readers do. They reread. They do this so their brains can understand the words on the page. Use your finger to point. Start in the top right-hand corner with the date. I noticed the month is spelled with the capital letter J, then A, and period. What does that abbreviation stand for? We'll say the name of the month out loud. If you said January, you're right. Great job. Notice the capital letter J to start. Good writers and mathematicians capitalize the first letter of each month of the year because it's special and important. They also capitalize the first letter of each day of the week. Okay, readers, we're going to continue to reread from top to bottom and left to right. January 22nd, 2025. Dear class family. After the greeting, look at the first telling sentence. I noticed a bigger finger space to indent. Good writers leave a bigger finger space to indent or jumpstart each paragraph. I also noticed a capital letter T to start the sentence and appear at the end. Remember, good writers start sentences with capital letters and end with punctuation marks. As we are rereading, you will notice many punctuation marks within our message. Okay, we're going to go ahead and review the names of these and skywrite. Are you ready? Period. At the end of telling sentences, statements, and abbreviations. Exclamation point, also called an exclamation mark. That's at the end of a sentence that shows strong feeling. Question mark at the end of a question sentence, just like our question of the day. And comma. Good writers know where to put a comma within their writing. All right, let's go ahead at this time and continue to reread from top to bottom and left to right. Today is Wednesday. It is Wednesday, and it's a wonderful Wednesday. We will learn a lot at school. Oh, that's true, class family, and we do that every single day, working on being a portrait of a graduate. Each day at school, we're practicing being a great communicator and collaborator by speaking clearly with our mouths and listening with our ears. That's what good communicators do. And every day at school and kindergarten, we are working on being a strong listener. Remember, a strong listener uses their eyes for watching, ears for listening, mouth is silent when someone else is speaking, and body is still in one place. Are you being a strong listener in kindergarten? All right, at this time, class family, we're going to go through the order of events of what we're doing in language arts. This is the sequence. Let's review these transitional words and phrases, readers. Are you ready? Okay, say them with me. First, next, then, after that, last. First, we will learn letters and sounds. Okay, just like we do every day at school and kindergarten, we use so many resources, including our alphabet chart. Shout out to Benchmark Advance. We'll be using so many of your things today at school to help us learn. We have electronic resources. We have big books. We have our alphabet chart we'll use to review the letters, sounds, pictures match that letter, American Sign Language. We have hands-on materials in class that we'll be doing today to help us, and some songs. Shout out to some YouTube channels we'll use throughout the school day. Jack Hartman's, Mr. B's, The Singing Walrus, The Learning Station, Hopscotch. Oh, and we're also going to do CVC word song so we can practice blending phonemes. All right, next we will do literacy centers. We will, and today, remember, class family, 2-hour delay day, and because of that shortened schedule, we'll all be logging on to our iPads for Lexia Core 5 reading program, and then a few other teachers and I will be calling individual students to assess you on vowels or to work with you in a small group. So when your name is called, listen the first time and come on over to share your thinking and make great listening choices. Okay, and then we will read a poem. We're going to be reading the poem, What the Animals Say. What the Animals Say. Little pup, what do you say? Woof, 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 let's go and play. Kitty cat, how about you? Meow, 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 and I purr too. Pretty bird, have you a song? Tweet, tweet, tweet the whole day long. Jersey cow, what do you do? Moo, 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 and I give milk too. Little lamb, what do you say? Ba, ba, ba. Can Mary play? All right, so we're going to introduce and read this poem. We're going to read it with the big book, and we're going to also use the electronic version and have it highlighted with the words so we can follow along with our eyes as we are rereading and understanding the poem, becoming great listeners. Oh, and we're going to be asking and answering questions about the poem too, so you're going to be a wonderful communicator. After that, we will learn the letter C. Remember, letter C like car and cap. We'll be looking at some objects that start with the letter C. We will be practicing making the letter C. We have a paper that has the dotted line letter C. We'll be practicing that, and we also be writing our own uppercase and lowercase letter C to practice. All day long at school, we're using the 5 pre-writing strokes. This is what good writers use when writing letters, drawing pictures, and writing numbers. Remember, we have up and around, touch, pull down, touch, push over, slant right, slant left. Okay, oh, and remember to hold your pencil with your index finger, middle finger, and thumb. And we're practicing being excellent writers at school in kindergarten. Okay, last, we will describe the relationship between the illustrations and the story. Oh, we will. And we're going to look back at Knuffle Bunny by Mo Willems, and we'll be looking at how the illustrations and the story match up, and we'll be using that to help us as we're sharing our thinking and answering more questions at school. It is a great day. It is. It's fantastic. Get your fans ready. Fantastic. Our question is a do you like question? And it will be in a T-chart of yes or no answers. And the question is, do you like cupcakes? Well, do you? That's a little letter C word. Oh, and a compound word. Cup plus cakes is cupcakes. Do you like cupcakes? Think about your answer and get ready to be a great communicator and share your reason why. Do you like cupcakes?